In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Wealthfront debit card. Quick guide. By the end, you'll have your card ready to use in stores, online, and in your mobile wallet. Start by opening Wealthfront on the web or on the mobile app for iOS or Android. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you're on your phone, confirm you're using the latest version of the app so everything looks up to date. On the website, you'll see your accounts on the main dashboard. In the app, they're typically accessible from the home screen. Next, navigate to your cash account. If you have more than one, choose the correct one, either your individual cash account or a joint cash account, depending on which card you're activating. This ensures the card activates on the right account and avoids confusion later when you start using it. Once you're inside that account, look for the Manage option. On mobile, this might appear as a Manage button or a settings style icon within the cash account view. On the web, you'll find similar wording that leads to account management. Think of this as your control center for card and account features. From the Manage screen, select Debit Card to activate. You should see an option clearly labeled to activate your card. Follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm basic details such as the last digits of your card just to verify it's really you. If you don't see an activation option, double check that your card has been delivered and that you're looking at the correct cash account, then refresh the app or browser. That's it. Once you see a confirmation, your card is ready for everyday purchases anywhere Visa is accepted. If you prefer contactless payments, you can add the card to Apple Pay or Google Pay through your phone's wallet app or through your Wealthfront app, depending on availability. Digital wallets are a great way to pay quickly and securely without carrying the physical card everywhere. If you plan to withdraw cash, use the ATM finder in the app to locate no-fee ATMs near you. You'll typically find this under Card or Account Tools. This helps you avoid unnecessary fees and find the most convenient locations when you're on the go. If anything seems off, like activation not appearing, try updating the app, signing out and back in, or checking your internet connection. And as always, keep your card details private and store your card safely. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps and your Wealthfront debit card will be activated and ready to use in just a minute or two.